In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reports in Smartsheet. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a brand new report set up and saved in the right place so you can start pulling together information from across your sheets. Reports in Smartsheet don't store data themselves, they surface rows that meet your criteria, so they're perfect for team rollups, status views, and executive summaries. First, head to smartsheet.com and open your account. You'll land on the Smartsheet home experience where the left panel shows your main navigation. If the panel is collapsed, expand it so you can see your options clearly. Next, open Workspaces. Choose the workspace where you want this report to live. Creating the report inside the correct workspace keeps your content organized and inherits the right sharing permissions, which helps avoid access issues later. If you don't immediately see the workspace you need, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Now look to the top right of the screen and click the plus icon. This is the Create menu, which is where you start anything new in Smartsheet. If you notice the plus icon is grayed out, you may not have permission to create content in that location, so double check that you're in a workspace where you can add items. From the Create menu, choose Report. Selecting Report tells Smartsheet you want a dynamic view that can collect rows from one or more sheets without duplicating data. It's different from a sheet which stores the actual data. When the report options appear, click Add Report. This opens a fresh report canvas. At this stage, you're setting up the container for your report. You'll refine what it shows later by choosing columns, filters, sorting, and grouping based on your needs. Finally, click Save. Give your report a clear descriptive name so teammates instantly understand its purpose. For example, include the project, team, and focus. Confirm it's being saved in the intended workspace so access remains consistent. Saving now establishes the report as an item you can return to and continue configuring at any time. That's it. You've successfully created and saved a new report in Smartsheet. From here, you can fine-tune the report by selecting source sheets, picking the columns to display, and applying filters and grouping to highlight exactly what matters. You can also share the report with stakeholders or add it to a dashboard for at-a-glance visibility. If you ever need to move it, use Save as New or Move to keep your structure tidy. Thanks for watching, and enjoy turning your Smartsheet data into clear, actionable reports.